Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. We are here, Kota Tua, Jakarta. In here, we will interview orange people about private building and public building. Before that, let me introduce ourselves first. Hello, my name is Muhammad Dudi Muludin and my partner is
Aprilia Putri Nabila and Dea Maharani and Dini Andrani and Lili Supriya and Alif Fidelia.
Turning around, and all that I can see, just another lemon tree. I wonder how, I wonder why. Today you tell me about the sky, and all that I can see, just a yellow lemon tree.
Sorry, Miss. Can you help me to for finish it the assessment to interview foreign people about public place and private place, public building and private building. Sorry. All right.
Yes, okay.
Do you have time?
We have time.
All right. Before that, let me introduce ourselves first. Hello, my name is Muhammad Dodi Maludin and my partner.
Dea Maharani.
We are student development economic in STIE Budi Pertiwi. Yeah. Before the interview, can you introduce yourself first?
My name is Hama. I'm here on vacation and I am a student in Belgium.
Oh, student too. And
My name is Regal. I'm also here on vacation with Hannah and we are 21 years old and I'm also a student.
in university.
Yeah.
The name university is
The Catholic University of Leuven.
alright. Let's go to the question. First question is, where do you live in your country? Can you explain it? How is the place?
During the week, I live in the city of my university in a student's room, and in the weekends I go home to my parents' house. And the student city is in Leuven, and it's a place with only students, a lot of students, and a lot of places to eat and to drink, and very nice place.
Alright. What type of building do you live in? Is house, apartment, or hotel?
Okay, I live in a house with 5 other students, and I live also in a house with 8 other students.
Alright. Is the building privately owned, rented out, or shared?
The building is rented out.
Rented out. Is the multi-story?
Yes, it's multi-story.
It means what is the number of floor and what floor do you live?
There are 3 floors, and I live on the 3rd one. Same for me, but in another building.
Alright. What are facilities in your area?
In my area, there is a bakery and a restaurant and a church and a shop, a supermarket, and it's a library.
Yeah.
With me as well, and public transport, so train station. Yeah.
Alright. Does the area you live in having any park or other leisure area?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you apa sih?
Elaborate.
Yes.
So it's a big park where a lot of students come together, and there is a little lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when the sun is shining, everybody comes to the park to do a
Alright.
picnic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, in Indonesia, where do you reside? Could you explain it why you live here?
In Indonesia, we stayed in hostels mostly. So It was the same as your question, I think.
No, this question in Indonesia you live, but is before live in your country. Yeah,
In Indonesia, in hotel.
in hotel. Same.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Is the building privately owned, rented or out or shared?
I think. Yeah.
Rented out or
Yeah. We are renting.
renting.
We are
Oh.
renting a room.
Next.
Is that multi-story? It mean what is number of floor and what floor do you live in Indonesia?
Lot of floors. 4 or 5? 5 maybe. And our room is on the 5th floor.
Fifth floor. Okay. What are facilities in your area?
We have supermarkets, a gym, a cafe.
Gym.
Yes. Yeah.
Alright. Does the area you live having any park or other leisure in your hotel live in? In hotel you live in, any park or other leisure in area?
There's a little outside space. Yes, very little.
Very leisure. Okay. Which location in your country do you typically visit as part of your daily routine?
In our country,
Yeah, in our country.
the city of Leuven, the
City
city
of-
center. Yeah.
Yep. Any maksudnya? Yeah, like are these commercial or building
Public building.
or public buildings?
Public buildings and on commercial buildings and privately owned buildings of the university.
Alright. Can you mention the monumental building in your country?
The Atomium. It's in the capital of Brussels.
How many institutional building exist in your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of those places?
I don't know. I don't know, sorry.
Alright. How many factories and offices are located in your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of those places? No?
There are so many.
Many.
Yeah, I don't know. Thousands and thousands and thousands. So
Can you talking one or two in?
we have a sugar factory in Tienen, and that's where they make sugar for whole Belgium. Yeah. And we also have a big beer factory to make all the Belgian beers in Leuven. It's called AB InBev.
How many department store and shopping center exist in your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of this place?
We have a big one in Brussels. It's called City 2 or Toison d'Or. Different ones. And it's very big. Thousands of square meters.
What familiar public and commercial place in Indonesia, according you?
Can you repeat the question?
What familiar public and commercial place in Indonesia, according you?
We are going to the mall later, to the Grand Indonesia Mall.
Yeah.
We just arrived in Jakarta. We don't know yet.
Alright. Next.
Which of the location you have visited, which is the most interesting beside what you mean?
Which of the location you have visited, which is the most interesting based on your mind?
Bromo.
Bromo.
Okay, they know Bromo.
Bromo. Of course. Yeah.
Are there any museums in Indonesia that you would want to share with others?
We haven't done a museum yet, so we don't know.
Alright. Do you have a special place in Indonesia that you would want to share with others?
We really liked Mount Rinjani.
What?
Mount Rinjani in Lombok.
Oh, in Lombok. Alright. Yuk, kelas yang is there.
Is there a certain place in Indonesia that you would like to revisit?
Revisit, ya.
Place you want to revisit. Everything we did.
Very nice,
Java and Lombok, and we would like to do Bali as well.
Alright, maybe there is question for me to asking for you. Can we take a photo to documentation?
Yeah,
Alright.
sure. Okay.
Miss, can you help me for finishing the assessment to interview foreign people about public building and private building?
Yes, your notice intake.
We take a question for you to know this building in your country and this building you know in Indonesia. Okay. Before that, let me introduce ourselves first. We
don't have any time, I'm so sorry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Namun aku akan tetap di sini menunggu alam semesta menerima dan angin membawakan jawabannya karena detak jantung dan nadiku akan selalu merindukan.
Miss answer. Can you help me for finish it the assessment to interview foreign people about private building and public buildings?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
We
Not much, but
Yeah, we only just arrived in Jakarta.
alright. Before that, let me introduce ourselves first.
Yeah.
We are from Student Economic Development from STIA Budi Pertiwi. My name is Muhammad Dodi Maludin and my partner.
Dea Maharani.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Alright.
And we are Simon and Tiffany.
Okay. Mr. Simon
Yeah.
and Miss Tiffany. Tiffany.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry, don't be
Yeah,
nervous.
don't
We're
worry,
like,
it's alright.
think we're talking with friends.
Yeah, we are.
Alright. Sorry, I'm nervous.
Yeah, no worries. That's why I tell you relax.
Yeah.
Alright. Where do you live in your country? Can you explain it? How is the place?
Okay.
Yeah, we live in the. Well, I'm from the Netherlands, Belanda, Netherlands, and my wife is from Costa Rica.
Story.
But we live in Qatar. Qatar is in the Middle East. It's desert. It's very dry, almost no rain. Very hot now,
Yeah.
but very developed.
Yeah.
Very modern.
Alright. What type of building do you live in? House, apartment, or hotel?
House.
A house.
Yeah.
Is the building privately owned, rented out, or shared?
Rented out.
We
Rented.
rent. Yeah,
Yeah.
rented.
Rented out. Is that multi-story? It means what is the number of floor and what floor do you live?
They have 2 floors.
Two
in the
floor?
house. Yeah, it's a 2-floor house, and we live in both. Like bedrooms are upstairs, and downstairs is like the living area, kitchen, living room, office.
What are facilities in your area?
But we have
There's a
everything.
metro very close by to the. We live in the compound. So in the compound there is a swimming pool. There is a small gym. And just outside of the compound, there's a metro station.
Yeah, there's like restaurants, there's like pharmacy, like 1 kilometer away is a hospital, close to highways. So there's basically everything very nearby.
Yeah.
We live at the center, kind of like of the capital.
Yeah.
Alright. Does the area you live having any park or other leisure area?
A park.
A park?
Yeah,
There's a park nearby, but
Yeah.
I have to take the metro to go to the park.
But
What-
there's even one that is like closer, but we don't like to go more there because it's only grass. There's not much trees. So the one that it has like nice trees and nice place is around 1.5 kilometers away. So we usually just take the metro or we drive there.
What is the name of the park?
Albida Park.
I'll be the park.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Question.
Question second.
Yeah.
Okay. In Indonesia, where do you reside? Could you explain it why you live here? What type of building do you live in? House, apartment, and hotel?
We usually stay in hotels.
Hotel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hotel.
Because
Yeah,
we come as tourists, so yeah, we stay in
Exactly.
hotels.
Yeah. Like we prefer it because that way we can, if we need something, we can contact easier. We have stayed before in houses or apartments, but this is more convenient for us because
For
we
tourists,
can,
it's more convenient.
exactly, like they're like better located, and you can talk with the reception
Make
and ask
breakfast.
them help, and get the breakfast from the restaurant. So it's more convenient.
Berarti ke Indo sorry.
No worries.
This grouping, yes. Grouping area. Because have restaurant and hotel and in one area.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Next.
One area.
Yeah.
Okay, is the building privately owned, rented out, or shared? Apa sih itu?
Yeah.
Or shared?
Well, we just pay for the stay, so it depends on how long we stay. So we pay for 1 night or 1 week, or so it depends on the amount of days we stay. We're not like renting or anything. It's just more like we just get the night stay. Like
Is that multi-story? Is mean what is the number of floors and what floor do you live?
well, depends on what they give us. So usually it's just a room inside of the hotel. So yeah, like if they give, now we are in a 5th floor, but depends of the hotel. Sometimes we stay like on ground level because they are like they're villas or little houses inside of the hotel or so. It depends.
Depends
what they gave
give.
us.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, next. Which location in your country do you typically visit as part of your daily routine?
The supermarket.
Yeah,
Supermarket.
Supermarkets, yeah.
Yeah, like sometimes the mall if we need to buy something like
Yeah.
clothing and all that. So usually it's like they're like shopping malls, several shopping malls around Qatar. They're like they love to shop there.
Shopping mall, yeah, many shopping malls.
So many shopping malls. So usually we just go there, do groceries, and also they have restaurants inside of the mall. So we can do like a little dinner or lunch there. Then
And the airport.
airport.
Qatar, it's got very nice airport. Very nice airport, yeah.
We like to travel, so
We
we
travel,
usually
and my
just-
work travel a lot. So.
Alright. Are these commercial or public buildings?
There are a lot of.
Yeah, the commercial.
Those are commercial
part,
buildings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Public.
Well, public and commercial. Like the supermarkets, yeah, it's also public.
Yeah, everywhere you can go in, like as long as you, like even for seeing, you don't have to even buy anything.
Alright. How many institutional buildings exist in your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of those place?
Like government buildings, etc.
Yeah.
Well, in Qatar,
Traffic police.
they have the traffic, the immigration
the passport department.
department.
the airport.
They have the army things, the police things.
Yeah, they could.
Yeah, basically like health, the Ministry of Health.
Yeah, Ministry of Health and the
Commerce,
hospital.
Ministry of
Hospital is
Commerce.
part of government.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but we don't go there very often.
Yeah, exactly. Just to renew the resident permit. That's
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, we
Or
don't
the
use.
driving license.
Yeah, and in our country, in Qatar, many government tasks are now digital. So you have an app, and you need to renew something. You, you can do this online.
Yeah.
Do this online.
Okay.
And a lot of tasks from the government are done through my employer. So I have to go to the office from my boss, and they can do it over there, and they submit the paper. So we don't have to go to institutional
Yeah,
buildings.
exactly.
Very good.
Okay. Can you mention the monumental building in your country?
In my country, well, there's several. So in Costa Rica, we have the presidential house. We have the different ministers, so Minister of Health, Commerce, everything. So we also have like the Asamblea Legislativa, which is basically like where like all the chairmen sit and discuss
Like
about laws.
parliament.
Yeah, all that,
Yeah.
like, kind of like parliament. And then they have like sometimes the visit of the president, so they talk about new laws, things to improve. Yeah. What else? Like they have like culture minister, like have their so yeah, they have like mostly like all typical, except for army. We don't have an army, so we only have like a minister of like.
So this is Costa
public
Rica,
service.
not Qatar. This is Costa
Yeah,
Rica.
this is Costa Rica, and then from the Netherlands.
Many old, like here, many old. In my country, in Belanda, many old buildings, statues, castles.
Yeah,
So many to name. Windmills, Kinshir.
yeah.
Yeah. How many factories are located in your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of those places?
Okay, so
In Qatar, Qatar does not produce that much because it's a desert country, but they dig up the gas
Yes.
from the ground. So they have refineries.
for gas and
So they
petrol.
don't, it's not like a factory, but they have like refinery for the liquid petrol gas.
Yeah.
I don't know what the name of it is.
Yeah, and in
It's-
our country, like for my country, like usually what we produce lately a lot is like medical dispositives or chips as well for what's the name of this company? I just forgot.
Intel?
Yeah, for Intel. So they usually like they have like a big Intel company, and then like in there they produce like chips and different things. So we have like what we call like a free tax areas where like a lot of companies come and they just produce whatever they are. Like and they have like a very good employment because in Costa Rica most of the people is educated and they go to universities and all that. So they love to come because it's cheaper and it's also good human resources.
Alright. How many department store and shopping center exist your nation? Can you mention it? What is the name of those places?
It's like I said before, in Qatar, there's many shopping malls.
So there
So
will
yeah,
be
yeah.
like
There's a place called Festival City,
Festival.
and
Yeah.
Festival City is very big. It's got many shops, also shops from United States that have shops in there. So inside there, there's many.
Europe as well.
There's the Mall of Qatar,
Yeah.
um,
Landmark.
and there's Landmark Shopping
City
Mall, City
Center.
Center Shopping Mall.
Then the one in Liceo. Is the name
Oh,
of that
yeah.
one? We don't.
yeah.
Usually just go to Festival City, but
Place
like,
Vendôme, Place
Place
Vendôme,
Vendôme,
there's
yeah.
a small shopping mall. Then there's some smaller shopping malls. Those
Yeah.
are the biggest ones.
Alright.
Next,
Yeah, next.
what familiar public and commercial place in Indonesia, according you?
which place we commercial we have visit or I didn't get the question. Sorry.
What your how many you know commercial place in Indonesia?
How many commercial places?
Yeah, in Indonesia,
don't-
if you know.
Oh, we know.
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, there's several malls
Yeah, we
I
drove
have
past
seen.
Central Mall.
Central.
Yeah.
There is a Mall of Indonesia at the big roundabout, the big fountain.
Yeah. And yeah, basically like what we have seen because we haven't visited the ones in Jakarta. Yeah, and usually when we visit Indonesia, we go for the sites and no more for like going
Yeah.
inside the shopping areas. Sometimes we do, but not much.
Alright.
Like later we're going to a scuba diving shop.
Yeah, scuba diving shop. Yeah, very like scuba diving.
The animation in
Dari which aja.
which of the location you have visited, which is the most interesting visit or you meet or you mind?
What was the question? The
Which of the location
location?
Yeah.
you have visited, which is the most interesting?
Most interesting.
Yeah, based on your mind.
In Jakarta?
In Jakarta,
In Jakarta.
or in the nation Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's
Well,
a hard one.
Yeah, we like the natural sites
Yeah.
because we enjoy the scuba diving. And
Yeah, exactly. So we
I think
have
I think here in Jakarta the old town,
it's very
the
nice.
old town here is very nice.
We also love like well, I love Bali.
Bali?
Like in general, like we go to like the seaside, so Tulamben. I like Ubud as well. It's very like nice. I love like Lembe. We were there last year.
Yeah,
It was
Manado.
very pretty. Manado, Bunaken. That was
Bunaken
gorgeous.
National Park is very pretty.
Yeah, so we love your nature. We love
Yeah,
to see beyond the, but because we see a lot of buildings and we visit a lot of malls when we're back home. So when we are out of home, what we want to see is your natural beauty.
Alright.
Are there any museum in Indonesia that you been to or are familiar with?
Any area of Indonesia that I'm familiar with.
Yeah.
Bali.
Bali, yeah.
Very familiar. I visited
Sorry,
there.
museum.
Ah?
Museum. Yeah.
Oh, museum.
Museum.
Sorry.
We don't visit any museum so
far.
far yet.
Yeah,
No.
we wanted to visit the national one, but it's closed. We
Yeah.
heard that.
The
And-
museum
Yeah, and now-
Bank Indonesia.
Yeah, the big one, the one for all the Indonesian national. Yeah, that one is closed, so we couldn't go to that one. But he wants to take me to
I want to
another
see
one.
Museum Bahari.
Bahari.
Bahari. I want to see that. But
Yeah, so probably we will later there.
yeah.
Do you have a special place in Indonesia that you will want to share with others?
That we want to. What do I want to do?
Do you have a special place in Indonesia
Yeah.
that you would want to share it with others?
Oh, share with others.
Yeah.
Yes, well, I love Bali. I already said that. So I already shared that with my family. Like I brought them so they can visit and see like the warmth of the Indonesian people, the food, and like the beauties. Like took my brother for scuba diving. My mom snorkeled so much that she got burned. But yeah, I like to bring them more and see more. But sadly, after COVID, they asked me visa, so it's more difficult for me now to bring my family.
Alright. The last question is
Okay. Do you have a
ini
yang mana?
yang is there.
Is there a certain place in Indonesia that you would like to revisit?
Revisit? Well, I would like to go back to Lembe as well. We're going to Raja Ampat tomorrow.
Raja Ampat.
So I think that's a place that I would like to revisit as well, like
Yeah.
see more. Well, Bali always, and yeah, like I think those are like the main places. But also we want to know other places. So every year we come back and visit different areas. Like so, this is gonna be our first time in Raja Ampat, and you have a lot of places. In the
Yeah,
bucket
I like.
list.
In the past, I've been to Banda Aceh. It was like very beautiful, very nice.
Alright. Penutupan. Maybe is my weak question for yeah.
Why?
Thank you for
For
thank you very much.
Yeah.
And we can take a photo.
Yes,
for-
We don't talk anymore. I'd like to make